Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to do slow motion in Capcut. In order to do slow motion in Capcut, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up your Capcut application and log in into your account. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new project. So I'm going to go ahead and next thing, what I want to do is select the other video. So let's say I'm going to go with this one and click the add button. Once I've added the video, now what I want to do is to slow-mo this. I'm going to go ahead and select it, go to speed at the bottom, and you want to go ahead and select the curve. Once you do this, you need to go to custom, and as soon as you click on custom, just go ahead and edit it. What you need to do is next thing, you want to go ahead and lower the cursor or the curve at the bottom. When you actually go ahead and increase it, it's going to be in a high speed, whereas if you lower it, then it's going to be in a slow-mo. So you can see that as much as slow-mo you want, you would just go ahead and decrease the curve or the line, and you could also go ahead and add the beat where you actually want to do it and how much you want to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one as well, so you can see that this is in a slow-mo. So this way you could go ahead and you could also go ahead and add a beat if you want. So that's how you could slow-mo in Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.